Well, it's officially spring here in Wisconsin, and that means it's time to do another portrait painting challenge. I'm excited. Last year we did a portrait painting challenge. Over 700 artists all over the world participated, and they all painted the same portrait together. I was teaching classes. The students were painting beautiful, beautiful portraits of Larry, the man with the hat. And we're gonna do another challenge. So I'm excited for this. Love to have you participate. What I'd like you to do right now is go to Facebook and go to the Realistic Acrylic Portraits group, and there you'll find a place where you can enter your images and you can post what you'd like to paint from. So go to Facebook, Realistic Acrylic Portraits group, post an image you'd like to paint, and we're gonna do the challenge together. So I'm excited. Pretty soon I'm going to be rolling out the registration and opening that up here in a few days. But for now, I'd love to have you post your image on Facebook that you'd like to paint from, and we're going to paint a portrait together. I'll teach you how to do it. All right, God bless. We'll talk to you soon.